It's the Queen, Cherlnell Lane, coming to you today with a video about this great product that I've heard so much about. So you all know about essential oils and how they can be beneficial to the body. So what's all the craze now is diffusers, right? So you use a diffuser to diffuse the oils in the air, and it helps you with whatever, you know, the essential oils help you with. Well, now they have personal diffusers, and what I mean by personal is you, the person, are a diffuser. And I got mine from Corked, and I haven't tried it yet, and I've never tried anything like this, so I'm really excited. I got mine yesterday, and it's www.corked.com, and I got 5. They come in a little box like this, and they seem really cool. I got them because I do not believe in doing illegal drugs. I will not recommend that for anyone. So but I do believe in the power of essential oils and how they can help with different things. These are 5 that come in different type of fillings. So this one is ecstasy, and then we have meditate, and then we have refresh. We also have alive, and we have trans. So each one helps you with something different. We're gonna use alive because I want to feel alive. I have a lot of work I want to do, and we're gonna try this out and see how it does. Now, I've never smoked a cigarette or anything, so the difference between these and smoking cigarettes or e-cigarettes is that you're not supposed to draw into the lungs. So you just draw it into your mouth and then breathe it out through your nose, and that's why it's a personal diffuser. So what I'm supposed to do is pop the top. Oh, that was pretty simple. Pop the top, and then out comes this cool corked thing. Okay, so we put it to our mouth. I'm gonna try this, you guys. Really freak it out. Okay, so we try it. I don't think I did it right. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. We're supposed to draw it into our mouth and breathe out through our nose. Not into the lungs though, just out. Okay, we'll try this again. I don't know how to do it. It smells really good though, and I don't taste anything, which is awesome. That was one of the things that I was really concerned with. Okay. I'll get it with practice, but I'm a really bad example. But it smells so good. Okay, like I said, I don't have any experience in smoking or anything, so I'm really bad at this. I'm sorry, Corked. But yeah, it's really cool. The air diffuser. Oh, it smells so good. I feel alive, so I must have got something. I feel like nice and jazzed. Like I feel good, like I can do some stuff. So okay, Corked, alright, you alright. And I didn't even, okay, I feel you. So, yeah, that's Corked. Like I said, they're little personal diffusers. And put that back. Pop the top back. Oh, put the top back on. I think. Yep. And there you go. Corked. That was nice. Gonna practice. Breathing in. Now, why couldn't I do that when it was in there? Because I'm crazy. I'm gonna try it one more time, okay? I'm probably gonna mess up again, but I'm gonna try it one more time, okay? I did it. Did you see it? Did you see it? I did it. A little bit. Alright. Okay. Oh, yes. That feels much better. Oh. Yes. Okay. So, that's how you do it. And I'll get it better, of course, as I use it. Most people make these videos when they're like pros. But I am not. This is my first time opening, well, not opening, well, opening these, and seeing what they are. So, I really like it. Makes me tingle. So, yeah, that's it. That's Corked. This one is trans. It helps you, like, get into a sleepy, you know, mode. I need these for my insomniac nights. And then meditate. I'm going to use that when I do my Tai Chi and meditation. And ecstasy. I'm single and looking to mingle. Alright, we can do it together. No, I'm just joking. So that is my Corked video, and try it out. I will be editing this video to death. Try it out. Check it out yourselves, and I'll see you later. Peace, and tell me what you think. I love you guys.